Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're back with another video where we want to analyze NASDAQ or NASDAQ 100. It has different names depending on which broker you're using. So on TradingView here, it's a NASDAQ 100 or US 100 cash. You can go on XNES, is US Tech. You can go on some other currencies where it's just NASDAQ. So it depends on where you're trading from, but it's here we're going to call it just plain NASDAQ. So what is the future of NASDAQ as we can see right now? If you try to pull back a little bit, this is a NASDAQ one-day chart. We can see that there was a huge push, there was a huge move to the upward side straight from 2020, which was the COVID times. There was push, big rise in price of the NASDAQ, and you can see it took almost 2 years, 2020 and 2021. It was just rising through the roofs. As you can see, NASDAQ hit an all-time high of 16,750 or close to 16,800, around there, close to. And from there, we started seeing equal highs and a break of supports, and we started seeing a move to the downward side. And then we saw in 2023, the beginning of 2023, NASDAQ created equal lows around 10,800, and we saw pushing back again to the upward side. Now at this moment, what are we looking at? We are looking at NASDAQ almost reaching the all-time highs of NASDAQ, and this is going to create another opportunity to make people millionaires and billionaires on the stock market. Now, what opportunity does this create for people with a huge capital, hedge funds, and other people with small capital? There is an opportunity for any person in the stock markets, Forex market. You just have to understand the opportunity the market is presenting to you and how to approach such an opportunity. Now, for the case of NASDAQ, we are looking at a price trying to reach the all-time high and test these zones. We are just something like let's see, we are just if we see properly here, we are just 1,200 away from the all-time high. Price has been pushing really aggressively to the upward side, and right now we haven't seen any sign of a price breaking to the downward side, because we are looking at a support here whereby the price is creating just new supports and new highs. There is no change of character. Price is just pushing up and up again. Now in this case, we are just going to wait and see when price reaches the all-time high, which is almost there. When price reaches this all-time high of NASDAQ, we are going to start witnessing some rejections, and this will be a turning point, or we are going to anticipate some moves there, and we'll start trying to open positions that will be long-term positions to the downward side. Now this is going to create opportunities that were there, or for example on gold USD, we had some opportunities at the close of the previous year, which is 2022. We had some opportunities where gold hit around 1,600, and in something like 2 to 3 months, gold was already up by another 400 to the 2,000, around 2,000, 2,070. Now for such a move like that, it creates huge returns, but this has to be swing orders, which you have to open positions whereby you just add and incremental positions on your way up into the trend. So the high probability setup is going to be when NASDAQ hits around 16,400 to 16,800. This is going to be the point where we try to analyze and see if we have a rejection and a change of direction to the opposite side, so we start capitalizing on those positions. Why are we creating this video today? When price hasn't reached, it gives you time who is watching the video to analyze this yourself, so that when time comes in maybe a few weeks, we might be reaching the all-time high again and see how the market reacts, or what other situations in the fundamentals around the time. Then we'll see how which opportunities will be presented, and we are going to use this video as a reference that we have already talked about this. So let me use this opportunity again to remind everyone we have a free Telegram channel. You can always join. It's going to be free for a limited time, and you can check in on our YouTube live that we're doing every day, where we do live analysis and we post the confirmed orders in our Telegram channel. So anyone who is new to trading, or you want assistance from people who have a good experience, a good amount of experience in the markets, you can always tune in our live YouTube video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tell all your trader friends to join the channel for good insights and analysis. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep it up.